67-inch farmer here. Got the 1967 Cub Cadet made by International Harvester. That's where the channel got its name from. 67 IH. But here's a little update on my Cub Cadets. I haven't really done anything with them. This is my 125 with a Quiet Line series 14 horse Kohler. You can see down there I had to cut away the frame for the extra large flywheel to fit in there, being that it's the gear start instead of a belt pulley start or the starter generator. And then this is my 104. Everything is fine and dandy on that, just needs some body work on it and maybe a clutch. I do want to put a new rear hitch on it so I can do tractor pulls with it and get new tires for it. I want to get new tires for the 125. They all hold air, they all do pretty good. It's just I like to get nice tires for it. It's going to need a new exhaust pipe from the manifold up to the elbow. That rotted off. And then I got my 105 I haven't touched. I plan on restoring that probably in the spring or summer. That'll be a summer project. So because I want to paint that real pretty. I don't know if I'll keep it after I restore it or not. But it won't hurt to stay out here for a little while. As for everything else that's around here, I want to get this cleaned up. So then everything's like on the edges or something, and actually plant pumpkins here next year. Hopefully I have enough ambition to do so. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. As for the 105 rebuild, the restoration of the 105, I don't want to start that until I get my lean-to on the side here done, so I could park it underneath there, have this all nice concrete on the bottom, fill this out a little bit more, bring that out so I have a nice 8-foot lean-to area under there to work with, so I could park probably all 3 of my Cub Cadets in there back to back. But I don't want to touch it until I get that lean-to. And without any kick out or anything like I have on the other side, all the water comes down the roof and drips down the wall and leaks into the building. So I'm not gonna insulate that part of the building yet either. But just another addition to my Cub Cadet update for you.